Remember, I'm not crazy when I'm doing this. Let's walk in this. First thing. Yeah, that's kind of deep. Yeah, that kind of is too. Freaking knee deep. Not anymore. This up a little crazy, a little bit. Yeah, that's a little freaking knee deep. The crazy thing is, I mean, it's kind of nuts when you think about it. Even the street is ankle deep. It's not ankle deep. You can just see it blowing around. You're probably get about 5 minutes of me being out here and I'm going in. But yeah, nothing's been plowed, nothing's been touched. We're still out. Deep. Supposedly this is that thunder snow stuff. I haven't heard thunder. And this forsaken. That is solid ice. Oh boy. That was lightning. They got that. Let's continue to walk around a little bit. Shall we? I think we shall. Yeah, that's about. Just about. Definitely about knee deep. Just about. This was shoveled a little bit ago. Yeah, I got some lightning and thunder on camera.
You got lightning?
Yeah.
They were just talking about that.
Yeah, and it's about, well, there you go.
What?
About knee deep beside the house is
Some
about.
Some areas are barren.
Yeah, that too. But beside the house is chest high to me.
On this side?
Yeah, chest high. I'm still walking. So I'm still walking. That's about knee high. But then you get over to here, absolutely nothing. And mind I tell you, it is fucking freezing out here. Yeah, that's the table set. Kind of deep, that's why it's called the table. Viaduct here, and then I go over here. There's nothing at all again until you get to that. I've been out here for about 4 minutes now. Shit. Bush off. How long am I going to take it? Only got 1 minute and 13 seconds left. Not a good deal. Let's go walk around some more. People call me crazy. You're telling me that? Shit's coming down like ice. This side of the car is clean. This side of the car, yeah, probably not. But I've been through crazy. This is probably the best I've seen. Okay, well, I got 30 seconds left, so let's warm up.
How's it going, man?
Pretty good.